name's David Foreman. I'm from Sparks, Nevada. I fly fish exclusively. No bait fishing or spin fishing for me. I've been fishing on and off since I was 7 years old. I first started learning how to cast a fly rod in the backyard with my dad. He taught us, all three boys. What I like about fly fishing is generally you always catch and release. I prefer to release the fish instead of kill them because I don't like to eat fish anyway, so I like to see them swim off after I caught them. What I like about fishing is it's a healthy activity for myself and for young people. I'd like to implement that in my family in the future, teach my sons and maybe even my daughters how to fly fish because it gives them something good to do outdoors.